All right, this is Uptick Talk, episode 15. Community member Xavier is back with us this time. In episodes 9 and 10, Xavier gave a great demo on how to get set up for GoN, or a game of NFTs, and also taught how to do some basic GoN tasks. This time, Xavier will give a GoN Phase 1 summary and talk about Phase 2 of Game of NFTs. Xavier, thanks for preparing for this. I'm super excited. Take it away.
Okay. As we know, the GoN Phase 1 is almost ended. And as a participator, yes, I join the GoN and do the test, and I have some thoughts, just my personal ideas. And then I will introduce the Phase 2 of the Uptick chain. First, you can see there are many accounts and many cross-chain transfers in the GoN in the Phase 1. There's 157,000 cross-chain transfers in this GoN. Yes, you can see a lot of transfers. Yeah.
There's like 1,000, right? Almost over 1,000 transfers per participant. That's great.
Yes. Many people participating in the game, and I think I should talk about two things. First is what we learn or what the benefit of the GoNs, and the second I will talk about the problems, and I think it is a problem in the GoN games. Yes. First, I think in the GoN there are many people participating in the game. A lot of people participate, and then we did a lot of things. Yes, this is a very good, very good things. And the second thing is that we did development very many visible tools. Yes, in the last demos, I just type the command lines and show how to do the cross chains. But now we can see there are many tools. For example, yes, my account. Yeah, there's for example my account. Okay, let me import this and then my account, the team name, and they will show all my information. Yes. Okay.
Interesting.
Okay, this is interesting dashboard, and there are also this is a cross-chain browser. In browser, we can just check or we can see whether the cross-chain is successful or not. Okay, we can use the TXID, transaction ID. Yes, let's okay with the transaction ID. Okay. You can see the transaction. Yes, the transaction from Stargaze to Omnix. Yes.
Awesome. I love it. It's good.
Yes. As I mentioned in the last interview, I show you the command line. With the command line, we can only see one chain information. But with the browser, you can see both. Yes, Stargaze and Omnix. So this is a very useful tools.
Very nice. Yeah, I like it.
Yes. Of course, not only these tools, there's a lot of many other tools. You can see there is a list of the tools. Yes, this is all the tools that developed in the GoN games. Yes.
Hey, can you give some examples of the tools?
For example, this is IrisNet collection dashboard. You can open it. This is another dashboard. Yes, Iris, Omnix, Uptick. Yes, you can see the the NFT assets produced in the GoN games. Yes.
So this is only for the GoN.
Maybe you can just make a change and to fit for other users. Yes. Okay. And another benefit from the GoN is that we found a lot of bugs. Yes, I just show you one bug, and it is about Uptick chains. Yes, this is a bug we found in the GoNs. The GoN is transfer NIT from one chain to another. Yes, this is cross chain.
Yep.
Means, for example, if someone wants to transfer NFT from AdsNet to Uptick, yes, when his NFT ID is named like this kind of ID.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it had yes lowercase letter and it's uppercase letter
Yep.
mixed together. In AdsNet, it is okay, but when it transfers to Uptick, Uptick will have a check to the IDs. If the ID is uppercase letter and lowercase letter mixed together, there will be error, or they will check if there's a problems of the NFT ID.
I see.
So the two chain the IDs, how to name the IDs, the rule of named ID is different.
Mm-hmm.
So there will be a problem. So from the cross chain test, yes, we know other chains the AresNet is different from the Uptick. So we found the problem and we can fix the problem and solve it.
That's good.
So
Yeah, I think a big part of it was
yeah,
standardizing things, right? Make it standardized.
yes. So yes. There will be, of course, there will be other problems, a lot of problems. Maybe it will take many hours to talk about the problems. Yes, I think this is a good thing. When we
Yep.
find the problems and fix the problems and solve the problems, the cross chain will be more secure and stable. Yes.
Yep. Nice.
This is what I think is the benefits of the GoNs.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, in the GoN, in my personal idea, there are kind of two problems. First, I think many people participate in the GoN, and their coin is too low and others is too high. Just to see the board. As you see, there is the yes, the top one is get 500 about 580 points, but the lowest one is called no, get 0. Some people do not know how to command how to do the cross train, or someone just yes lost the idea, lost the NFT ID. There's a lot of reasons. Yes, you can see many people got 0 points.
Mm.
Yes, many people participate in the game and do not got points because maybe they do not know how to do it, how to do cross train. They maybe they don't be familiar with the command line or some reasons, some other reasons. So these are problems. I think in the GoN, if the difference between between people, the coin the score difference will be no so high that will be better. Yes, everyone got got a point, got some points, and do their efforts. That is will be better.
Hmm.
Another reason is that in the GoN there is a quiz. So someone why got so high point is that they win the quiz with the competition and others do not win. So maybe it's better to let more people to win the quiz.
Mm-hmm.
My personal opinion, yes. And another problem is that when do the cross train transfer, I found sometimes when I transfer, especially from Western train, like Stargate or Juno, and I transfer my NFT, and then in 1 hour or two, I cannot find my NFT. It looked like I lost the NFT.
Hmm.
Then after many hours, then I can find my NFT and look back. Yes, so it's just just like my NFT. Yes, stuck on some train. Yes,
I
many
see.
people find the same problems. So it seems not so stable. Yes, in the Western trains. So this may be a problem. We should yes, the the train teams should solve out in the future.
Mm-hmm. With the
Okay.
scorecard, what was your score? Did you do pretty well?
Okay, I can show you my points. Yes. Okay, I see. Okay. I'm not I'm not get the reward. I got 62.
That's
62.
nice.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
good.
Just middle of the.
How did you do in the quiz?
I'm lost in the quiz.
I
Yes, I
see.
participated in the quiz, but lost in it. Only 5 or only 10 people can win the quiz. It's just so it's just a little difficult because the cross there's many trains to cross, 5 or 6 trains to cross and then the back. So it is a little yes, the process is a little complex.
I
And
see.
the second reason is that you should not only cross the train, and you should have be faster.
Mm-hmm.
Only 10 people, and they can win the points. Others, they will not win the quiz.
And
Okay.
then what do they get? They already received some reward, or they haven't decided that yet?
And it's not decided yet, but maybe a few days later they will got the reward. Mm.
Nice.
Okay, the next part I will introduce the phase two. This is the proposal, yes, in LSNet, and about the phase two hackathon, yes,
Mm-hmm.
and the LSNet and Uptick and Hashkey will respond the the game. Yes, the phase
Hmm.
two. Phase two about 50,000. Yes, in USD. Yes, that
Wow.
what is about 50. So it is welcome every want to participate in the phase two game.
Definitely. In order to get some of that $50,000 in prizes, you have to develop dApps, right?
Yes, we call it DAPPs. Yes,
Yeah. Okay.
DAPP.
Decentralized
Mm.
apps. And you think most people will be developing them from scratch, or you think they'll take existing apps that are running on other chains and then try to convert it to run on Uptick? Is that right?
Yes. I think a lot of people will not build it from scratch. They will move other application
Okay.
to Upticks. Then I can introduce the yes the Upticks GoN. Yes, it has some features for Uptick GoNs. Yes, first as we know, Uptick has his own marketplace. The marketplace is maybe it's developed much earlier than the Uptick chain. Yes, before the Uptick
Yeah.
chain, Uptick chain, they also has a marketplace.
Yeah.
Yes.
Using IrisNet.
So everyone who participate in participated in the game or in the phase two, they can use the Uptick marketplace to trade. So this is one feature of the Uptick phase two count. Yes, and another feature is that you can use when the DAPP is developed, they can cross train from Uptick to LSNet. Yes, of course it can be cross train from LSNet to Uptick. Yeah, to Uptick. They can not only develop the IDP but also do cross train transaction. Yes, this is tested in the phase one. So phase one. So it seems very convenient. And the most important feature is that Uptick train is support EVM virtual machine. So in this game, I'm sure there will be a lot of applications will move from maybe Ethereum, maybe Polygon, maybe BSC, to Uptick trains, Uptick trains, the DEC, DAPP. Yes, and they can do transactions on the Uptick train and transfer their assets to AliceNet. So I think it is a very good thing to the Uptick ecosystem. Maybe there will be a good thing to the Cosmos ecosystems because there's a lot of application will move from other trains to Uptick. This is my personal idea. Yes,
phase 2 has officially begun, or not yet?
Oh, not yet, not yet. But many developers want to know more about Upticks, and maybe they will discuss this kind of problems and the questions as.
How can teams get more information about building for Uptick? Is there some documentation on how to do it, or?
There are some documents about it, not very, yes, because the game is not started.
All right, thanks, Xavier. Any other details?
You can pay attention to the Uptick office website.
Yeah, and are you planning to create some sort of dApp?
Yes, I started to create some DApps with my with my team members. Yes.
Nice, awesome. Maybe in the next recording you can show us what you built.
Yes, maybe.
Okay, thanks a lot for your time, Xavier. That's great. Well, we'll maybe wrap it up there. Okay, good luck in phase 2, and hope to see you again.
Okay, come see you again.